Part A. How to say about ongoing actions. I will show you a few examples. Mr. Adam is in his car. He is on his way to work. Explanation. This means he is driving now. The boy is playing video game, or he is playing. The woman is playing violin, or she is playing. The passengers are waiting, or they are waiting. He is taking shower, or he is having bath. More examples. We are going to college. She is sleeping. They are trying to lift it. It is raining. He is riding the bike. Fatima is hiding something. I am looking for a chance. It is getting late. You are good to go. Part A completed. Lesson 1, Part B. How to say about ongoing actions, negative. In negative sentences we use not. I will show you a few examples. Sarah is not accepting the offer. The third man is not waving his hand. The car is not stopping. They are not talking politely. More examples. I am not going to school today. We are not cheating. She is not listening to me. My friends are not attending this event. I am not asking you anything. They are not coming with us. My uncle is not doing anything. John is not helping us. There is something more to learn. Part B completed. Lesson 1, Part C. How to ask about ongoing actions. In questions we use am, is, are. I will show you a few examples. Oh my God. Is my phone running out of charge? Are they playing chess? Is she reading newspaper? Is she looking disappointed? More examples. Are you kidding me? Is it raining? Is John helping you? Am I disturbing you? Are you coming with me? Is he sleeping now? Is it working properly? Are you going to buy this book? Hey. I am almost done with this lesson. Now, question and answer session. Are you coming with me? Yes, I am coming with you. I am not coming with you. Yes, Adam is coming with us too. No. I am going to college. Is she doing anything now? I think she is making food. No, she is just sitting in the room. Yes, she is reading a magazine. I have no idea. Are you happy now? Okay, now we are going to learn some WH questions. What is Sarah doing now? She is riding a bicycle. Let's see some more WH questions. Where are you going? Asking the place. Why is she crying? Asking reason. How are they coming? Asking in what way or manner. When are you returning? Asking time or day, etc. Who is knocking the door? Asking about person. Whom are you looking for? What are they talking about? Why are shouting at me? Wow! Congratulations! My friend, you have successfully completed the lesson 1 from English Factory. Comment your feedback and suggestions.